Hello guys, welcome back to another Inspo. For today's video, here are going to show you how to fix Beko fridge not cooling. So if your Beko fridge here is not cooling and you're having problems with storing your food here, well, there are a few things that we need to know and we need to do here. So first things first is you want to make sure that your Beko fridge here is well maintained. So meaning you may want to defrost your Beko fridge. Now some fridge may need to defrost, like for example you need to unplug it from any electrical outlet out there, or maybe like just remove the power from it and stop using it for a few hours. So that includes removing all the food that you currently have right now and store it somewhere else for the meantime, and just basically let your fridge thaw out. Now, if you're not aware yet, sometimes the internal components here may get frozen, so sometimes that's the reason here. And just just basically letting it run for a long time here may freeze the component itself, which will not work properly. So again, defrost it after maybe like 6 hours or 3 hours if you can. More is better. And once you've done that, you can go and just turn it on and see if that solves the issue. Now, also another thing that you may want to do here is you may want to check with a professional technician for this one. Now, sometimes the problem is going to be the refrigerant of your actual fridge here, which they may need to replace that, and also like in other hardware internal components like the thermostat or anything that has to do inside your fridge. So it is not recommended that you do this yourself. So it's best to consult with the technician if defrosting your fridge does not work for you. So, and also if you're defrosting your fridge, it's a way for you to reset your fridge as well. So go ahead and try it. But that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.